Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing a full collective haul, and this portion of the video is sponsored by Shein. If you guys want some coins off, if you shop at Shein, please use my code. My code is ShakiraSphere and you can get some dollars off on your order. So this is going to be collective. So I have some stuff from Shein, I have some stuff from when I went thrifting, I have some stuff from Aliexpress, and I also got some stuff from Amazon. However, this section of the video is sponsored by Shein, and thank you to Shein for sponsoring this portion of the video. So let's get into it because I have some pieces for you guys. And the first piece I have is this Sinky Tube top. So it's asymmetrical, it's giving Y2K vibes, and it has two strings that you can pull and adjust and you can tie. I love a good basic with a little flair to it, and the asymmetrical look and the drawstring detail is amazing. This is actually in a slinky material, so I would suggest you go down a size. I got this in a medium and I definitely could have gotten it in a small. I feel like this would be amazing paired with shorts, pants, a skirt, whatever, because this is a basic and it just looks amazing. So this is the first item. That is a dress, and this is a beige sweetheart neckline dress. It is also a A-line at the bottom. It's made from a nice rib material. I got this in a small, and this beige color I feel like is going to be everywhere for spring and summer. This neutral tone I seen at Fashion Week, whether that be New York, Paris, Milan, a lot of beige, a lot of red and pinks and greens. So but this dress is absolutely amazing. I feel like you can dress this up or dress it down. You can wear a nice heel with it, go to dinner, go to brunch, date night, or you can dress this down with sneakers. I also love the sweetheart neckline, and I love the rib detail, and I love the fact that it's short sleeve because I live in Florida, so I love my stuff to be short sleeve, especially if it's ribbed, because I tend to overheat really quickly, and I love where this hits me. I'm gonna insert clips trying these on. You guys already know. So I'm 5'6", I weigh 180 now, and my bust is a 32D, waist is a 35, and my hips is about 45. I think my hips got a little bit bigger, but that's a whole different story for a different day. Another dress I got is this brown button-up dress. I also got this in small. I have this dress in pink, and I picked it up in this brown color because I feel like it is a great staple, a great neutral, and who does not love a good maxi dress for spring, summer? So that's why I got this one, and I also got this in a small. The other one that I have is pink, and I got it in a medium, and it just did not fit the way I wanted it to. So I went down a size, and this is also in a ribbed, nice, comfortable cotton material. And I will say I love these pieces from Shein, and I also love the neckline. If you guys know anything about me, I love a good scoop neckline. I feel like it looks prim, it looks proper, you don't have too much cleavage out, like it makes you look sophisticated. So if I'm getting maxi dress, I love this detail. And I also love these maxi dress because you can wear them as a dress, you can wear them as a top, you can wear them as a skirt. The possibilities are endless with these full length maxi dress, and I love that I got it in a neutral. Then the next thing I got is this top, and this is in a medium. I got this top because this is like a designer dupe for Jean-Paul Gaultier. If you guys know of that bigger, more expensive brand, they have a lot of clothes for spring summer that is kind of like this. It enhances a woman's body basically, and I got this in this green color because I have a skirt that I wore last year that I want to wear with this also. I'm probably going to end up cut the sleeve off. I don't know yet how I'm feeling, we'll see, but this is how the top looks. It's nice and stretchy, and I'm glad I got it in a medium, because if I got it in a small, I feel like it would have been too tight, and then the sleeves of it would have been too tight also. So this is the next piece. I feel like this can be worn in so many ways also. You can pair this with some black pants, black leggings, black shorts, or a nice like Y2K black jean skirt, and you're good to go. So this is the next item. And then your girl got this set again. So this is a two-piece set. It comes with a top and it comes with a long pants with some slits at the sides. I got the same set last year around summertime, but I got it in a green color, and I love this set because of the top. Like I said, I love a good high neck, scoop neck top, and I also love the asymmetrical detailing on the top of this. I got it in a nice neutral color, and I think this beigey color is going to be everywhere for spring summer, which is why I got it in this particular color. And I love a good set, so you can pair them together, you can pair them with other things, which is why I got this. And I love the green one so much that I had to get it in another color. And then this is the last and final piece from Shein, and this is just a white maxi dress. This dress is super long. I got this in a large, and I wish I had gotten this in a medium. This is like a polyester chiffon mix material, and I got it in a large because I felt like it was not going to fit me, but I was sadly mistaken. I should have stuck to my regular size, which is a medium, and stick to that. I will say this color is white and it's a little bit sheer, but I love the necktie detail that's on this dress. It looks absolutely amazing. I feel like this could be perfect for a black tie event, for a wedding. If you're going to be a 2023 bride and you're looking for something for your bridal party to wear that's affordable, I feel like this would be like the perfect bridesmaids dresses, because it's super cute and it's also stylish at the same time. I would definitely wear this if I was a bride and I was going to get married, for like my bridal shower or something like that, because it's super cute. And also spring and summer is the perfect time to add white into your wardrobe. So that is all the stuff that I got from Shein. Thank you guys. Thank you to Shein for sponsoring this portion of this video and sending your girl items to show you guys. So please remember to use my code Shakira's Fair, and let's get into the rest of the video. Next, the next section I'm gonna do is Amazon, and I'm gonna show you guys because I only have accessories. So I got these boots today from Amazon and they were super affordable. I think they were like $25 or $35, but the quality, like the ombre detail of this shoes is like a work of art. I'm in love. Okay, I don't know what it is recently about me and boots, but your girl have been getting into boots and I've never been a boot girl, so this is kind of a big change for me. I'm normally a single sole strappy heels type of girl, but this boot, when I saw it, I first saw it on TikTok and the girl that I saw with it have the ones over the knee or calf high, and I've been stalking the seller on Amazon for that pair, but every time it goes into stock it disappears. It literally sells out in like 2 minutes and I never can get it, so I got the short one instead and I am happy. I have kind of thick calves already, so I was kind of scared if I got the calf high one that it wouldn't fit my calf area, so I'm happy with this. I actually got this in a 10 and it fits absolutely amazing. I'm normally a 9, but I have wide feet, so anytime I'm purchasing shoes with this type of cut, narrow cut, I always go a full size up because I'm in the era of comfort. Okay, comfort every single time, especially where shoes are concerned. I'm no longer killing my feet to wear a specific shoe anymore. I want comfort and this is comfortable. Like, look at this. Masterpiece. Okay, masterpiece. And then for other accessories, so I didn't even realize I have these many sunglasses until I was packing out the closet, organizing, doing spring cleaning and stuff, and I realized I have a bunch of sunglasses. Some of them are recent and some of them I've had for a very long time. So some of them, the recent ones, I think I got 2 for about 6 glasses from Amazon recently, and I'm gonna do them in sections because I got this one last year on Amazon. I didn't show it in a haul or anything. This is the green one. It looks absolutely amazing. I wore it in a outfit picture. I'll insert it somewhere here, and I fell in love with those frames, so I got the pink one, and this is how the pink one looks. And then we're gonna go into this one. This one is blue frame and it have black frame, and it have blue lenses in it. Quite frankly, I thought this one was going to be a little bit bigger when I saw it online, but it's a little bit smaller than I expected, but it looks a-okay. And then I'm gonna go into like the more sporty versions that I got. So I also wore this recently. We went out for date night and I wore this particular one. I think it was this one in a picture, and this is how it looks. This is giving Y2K. It's giving futuristic outer space, but yeah. And I also got it in the black version. When you buy 2 of these glasses on Amazon, I get it for $15. So Couldn't help myself. And all the stuff that I'm showing you guys is going to be linked in my storefront. My Amazon storefront. I recently went through my Amazon storefront and linked all my household items that I got. All my kitchen, my house, bedding, curtains, everything. So if you guys are wondering or looking for something, I promise you it's probably linked in my Amazon storefront. And then these are the last and final ones. So I got it in this, they say it's gray, but to me it looks white. And I also got it in this gold color. So this is how it looks on. And then this is the gold one. So those are the sunnies that I got from Amazon recently, and those are the only things that I got from Amazon. I also got this organizer, sunglasses organizer. I had a smaller one. I gave it to Babe because it only holds 6 or 7 glasses, and I have way more glasses than that. So I needed something bigger, and this holds 18 and I still need more space. But anyways, that's what I got from Amazon. So let's continue. So I went thrifting recently. I actually went in there for some jean shorts or a jean skirt. None of the shorts that I found and liked could fit me, but I got 2 skirts. So this one is a black acid wash denim, and I got it for $8.99, and it looks absolutely amazing. I love the fact that it's not too short. I know mini skirts are trending, and the minier it is, the better, but I don't want my ass crack out, so I love a good midway point skirt. So I got this. Funny story, I never used to wear pants at all. I was only allowed to wear skirts. So now it's kind of hard for me to wear skirts because I was forced beyond my will to wear skirts so much. So getting into skirts is like kind of a challenge for me. So that was from Goodwill. And then I got this one. I was looking for a jean skirt when I went in there, and this is the one that I picked up. This was $6.99, and I love this. This is actually a skirt. It comes with shorts underneath it, and also it's not too short, which is another reason I like it. I also love the detailing on the back, and I also love the detailing on the pockets in the front. I have a Shein jeans top that I wore that I feel like is gonna go perfectly with this, and as you guys know, jeans denim is trending, so I think I'm going to make that a look. I'm gonna do the top and the skirt with some nice shoes and see how that looks together. And then I got some stuff from Aliexpress. I love Aliexpress because Aliexpress is just as affordable as Shein or Amazon, and you can find some really good pieces on there if you look. And I was shocked. Okay, Aliexpress definitely stepped their shipping up. A lot of these things that I got in under a week. I was floored. Normally when you buy stuff from AliExpress, it takes like a good month or a month and a half to come because it's coming from like China. But a lot of this stuff that I ordered came in under 7 days. I was shocked. And then some of them took like 2 weeks, but their shipping has significantly improved. I don't know if it's because of the pandemic or what it is. They improved their shipping, but they did the thing, okay? They did the thing with that. So the first thing I got is this top. And as you guys can see, there is a trend with me as far as my tops are concerned. And I didn't even realize this until I'm sitting down now and doing this video. This top is a white button down, but it has a asymmetrical detail on it, and it's long sleeve. And instead of getting your white regular button up, get this, and that's why I got it. I also love the fact that I can wear it off the shoulder if I want to, because it has like a tulle built-in top right here. So I feel like it's fun, it's funky, and it's different. And then the asymmetrical detailing at the bottom just makes it even better. I got this in a size large. Tops. So everybody has been wearing these Zara tops with the zip down at the side. I will say this was $13, and I feel like the black one is super similar as far as fabric is concerned to the original. If you want to save some coins and get the black one from Aliexpress instead of Zara, then I would say go for it. But if you're choosing like the off-white one, which I personally have, and I'm going to be featuring in a Zara haul, then I would say stick to the Zara one. But the black one is spot on as far as quality, as far as the same look, the feel, everything. And I got this in a large. I also got the same top in a off-white color. This is supposed to be a cream. It looks more beige than anything else. And this is also in a large, and it comes with the zips at the side, which is very much trending and why a lot of people love it, because it's just a regular tube top, but it has something fun and funky like the zipper at the side. And you can also unzip it, wear it asymmetrically, or wear it like a regular tube top. So I feel like that's why a lot of people have been living for it. And then I got this knit top. And then I got this knit top. It's in a pink color. I don't know what I'm gonna wear underneath this, but I definitely am gonna need something to wear underneath it. Normally I would like wear pasties or something, but this you definitely can't wear pasties with. You're definitely gonna need a top. So yeah, and knit is very much trending for the spring summer, and I picked this color up. I love how bright this is, and I love the fact that I can switch it up. So you can wear it like this with this at the front, or you can wear it with this side as the front. So you can switch it up if you want to. And this actually goes perfectly with my Steve Madden heels. So I'm just like, when I'm gonna wear this, I'm gonna definitely wear it with my Steve Madden heels because they go perfectly together. And then I got these two, and these two things are from the same vendor on AliExpress. They were super affordable also. I got this in a large. I definitely should have gotten this in a medium because of the fabric. It's a slinky material, Sinky fabric, so definitely go down a size if you're in between sizes. But It is a maxi dress and it has a bit of ruching in the middle, and then the back is cut out. Super duper cute, super duper adorable. And I got it in black. It also comes in green if you want it in green. And then this skirt right here, I've been fiending for this skirt. I saw a skirt similar to this on Lulus here on YouTube, and when she wore it, I was floored. I was like, oh my god. But when I went to go see the original skirt, it was like $1,000. I'm like, I'm not paying no $1,000 for no damn skirt. So I found this same, it literally looks like the exact same thing on Aliexpress, and I paid $20 for it. So it has the jeans detail at the top, and then it has like this ruching maxi skirt at the bottom, and it looks so good. I got this in a large, and I don't know what I'm gonna wear with it yet, but when I wear it, it's going to be a look. Okay, it's going to give what it needs to give, everything and more. So I can't wait to wear this. I don't know if I'm gonna like make it sexy with some like a black corset, or I'm going to do like a denim on denim look and get like a denim top or a denim like bralette and wear it with that. But whenever I wear this skirt, is gonna be a look. Okay, it's gonna eat. From Aliexpress is these glasses. I don't have any clothes actually, or anything that is yellow, and I feel like these are funky, these are cool. So I got these from Aliexpress. I think they were like $4, and I feel like they're worth it. They're nice and sturdy. I love the shape. I love how it looks on my face. It's giving 2000s Rihanna kind of vibes. So yeah. And then the last and final, I also got some earrings. I'll insert a picture somewhere in here of how the earrings look, some silver earrings. But the last and final thing is this bag. And if you guys see this, you already know this is a dupe for the Caperni bag, okay? And this was a steal, okay? When I got this, I was like, oh my god. And it looked exactly like the original bag, okay? Shape, cut, everything. Also, again, when I wear this is going to be a look, because I'm gonna pair this bag with those pink glasses that I got from Amazon, and then I'm gonna let those speak, and then I'm gonna make the fit like chill, laid back, and let those things like do the talking for the fit. But absolutely love this bag. It's super different, super cool, and I didn't pay an arm and a leg for it. So, and I love the color. As you guys can see, there's a lot of pinks, there's a lot of beige. They say women wear pink when they're going through changes. But yeah, I got this. And that is the last and final thing in this collective haul. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. And tell me which item is your favorite, which item you're going to check out, which item you're going to buy. What are your thoughts on the items that I pick up for spring summer? And what are you most excited to see me in? I've been giving looks, especially on Instagram. So if you're not following me there, follow me, because that's where you see the pics, the outfits. Yeah, deuces.